Mashafoina Aquaba, Seneda, Monitiano, interviews, a change, any better say, a debesum Ashafo, and Pennyfua, Unimomo, or movie industry, music industry, baby, any idea mobile no so, a become brabo moons and baby, I will be ano, also a fabi, a dear two, hopeful, said the baby, a brabonachiano, or the atino, Nasa, one nam quine panels to swa, or so now I be a cajon, said the baby, I will person who drew our brabomono, or be drew ho, and the name I bet na hey, minima, ba cope, Awo Yaa and a babesha komo, a year Ghana industry, movie industry, they were boy Juma ye papa, and yen nay, 4 pound or no more a year Juma and nay, meneno a babesha komo, maybe Sundays I was chassis free hefa, and he found pona or free, name himself and Awo Yaa, indeed, Ankasa, a seasons, Awo Yaa, Ankasa, the what's here, to say penny moo per d, but Yama men or Michian, Moons or shed the Nisa, but a dear crowd no, and young credit, and a baby Sunday say hefa, and no yan dini free, and hefa no chassis, and a hefa, and now a barber drew now so fear, also would it be a 2 or 4. Mama, a caba.
Ya will be a day.
No patches.
Already at a room, and I'm on Bible.
I don't know, say. The home many my show TV's watch, papa.
But that's to say, when you're in
Mammy, yes, Awo Yaa. Within the more dupa, yet Awo Yaa, Castle, Sabi, a brave you fear a cock or dear foot near but Michelle and most I won't shed any, but within a more do. Mommy, Awo Yaa, no yan.
Yet met so, men and counsel. Timidini na ye Awo Yaa ejiwa ampao.
Awo Yaa ne kaudi ho.
Ai Awo Yaa imidi ankasa. Awo Yaa ejiwa ampao.
Yo.
Yeah, midina no.
Wow. Mummy, udi ankasa na je say me na obiti Awo Yaa na yenim say senior adwuma no mo berema na mapedi mi atomo ho so say de be ya.
Dabi. Awo Yaa nye character name. Me am real name. Yeah.
Mummy pacho he fa na wo free.
Me ma me ye fantini. And I'm papa ya chimney. Mammy free, a confee and a soul pon. Anna, my papa so free cooking to me. It's the region. Go for it, dear.
And Fanticas and what can be bad?
Miss Fancy Pa.
Sir, I don't know, sir, my message was seen me, mamma, and test I will come fancy down. It
will be a dear Juma cry.
Wow.
Yeah. See, but Kumasi a woman.
Okay.
A doom fin so he fear near woman. See, normally, my cousin me a fantini, and I'm a man for this, I may come fantina. Yana omunyin ni se me fantini, ma me fantini.
I just say wunyin ni Kumasi he.
I'm a holy bred, born and bred Kumasi lady.
Pacho Kumasi he fa pateni ya wuwa.
A doom fin so yini fie.
Hey.
To be precise, any woman.
Na na
I do old butter, yes.
Now I call mommy chrome and also papa chrome.
Me mommy chrome cry them in shada nimu because your family house will obwase. Te honi bibia, ba papa chrome kukren to me there. E o mommy call.
In na ye na wutimi suan fante kasa no ma me na de tete o ada say
oh na ye ka ofie me nana ene ye ka ofie
okay
yeah em say me nuan me pe na me nana etru me nti me na mfante no mitimi ka me brother and my sisters omu de me chi de omu ni mu fante ne kasa
na so na ye penyi
me na me penny yes I have a brother and a sister be ma de me chi na obaye last born
I see mommy wan kasa o wo ma
me bae baako
obaye baako
ai
Ghana na ye din na pese wo ba ko ana se
oh me wo akola no me ye madwen se anya dia me wo ha awo ha bi na me expect say me worry na me wo me nyina but unfortunately me worry a traveler eye obi otia kwantuo
okay
nti oba ebre ne nhye da ni wo na woko na me worry enyin se mienu eba mu nyina nso erade nanim ye ma ne ma na minim se radi nim se na aware ni na enye yi osede yi ni nse ni ntimi enyina ti nya me wish say e bia me ba ba akope but however it is no I give thanks to God okay. Yes
pacho ba na bema oh okay na se ne otene o ba kefi
bema mo ne kwa bonten
se ne okofa na nanom abrewo
da bi oba mo na tene fie de na nanom ba fie ono okofa obi ba ne na wo ti ono so ma me beje no ti ji se unya asew bi ono so no ope wasem na bi ode ne bakra ma wo se ne ntina yeah
ni na wo nya mensem
of course yes
na che say aware na anyina
debi
since then so worry bi
I say me worry
mommy ye hwe What started wa brabo e wo Kumasi he ya school edru say na
my educational background, me do tertiary level. I have a degree in marketing.
Wow.
Yes. From UCOMS. That time near Institute of Management Studies. I say my University College of Management Studies. So I did I can't say marketing. I majored in marketing. So I have a degree in marketing.
Mommy, what do you do, Mom?
Debut. After school, no. I had attachment. Now me realize say attachment, no. After attachment, no. Oko pay juma. Sabi, baby, I me call ye biara. Me anya one instance of cry me farm hototo. Boss be a HR manager be and as a managing director be and as a manager be a mission in piano. Receiving was okay, but just say or the a title. Inti me attachment in na me pay juma. Till during my attachment time, no. Me so esa say a doom near woman no Miracle Films the first shop out here and will be feachi. Me attachment so me year wo a year space phone. En can MTN na a space phone.
Yes.
Inti na South Miracle Films eba your shop on your girls or say open my dio my sinini ade but man for my dwena ma no because at that time no sales na me ye kra no na me feel say no eboa me and say afei na mate se sini so ska nche den ni ma fa me kobre sinimu a ni ade kopem say eye sim cars won ye de ho ye de na say kwa akra ni kopem MTN and as space phone eye chip eto tina Miracle here phone chip no yes say me ba aka na me chip ni bia me fa be mre no sa ta no agi fie bi wo doko me fa be mre no ti be call ye na wakofa Nigerians director ni crew every Nigeria about the omo be ye adwuma misimi yobi a me hu nipa emma me yemo nhye me that exuberant and outgoing ti me dey me nkomo me ni omo sire ni ade ti Nigerian director no na friend no Ifeanyi Onyabo of blessed memory to hu sa wakote baby no hwe me
Sabre na unya start here adwuma no kra
da me dey me koto me phone ne me chip me SIM card ti one of free Miracle from so say akwesi aden na ewrai o mfa ne nya adwuma no so ma call mo several times ba me call so no nya adaji nyai sa na adwuma na wo ye ma me twese ni ana director na approach me no ka kire me say then following Saturday no be auditioning e wo Kumasi na me ka kire say Saturday so na me peak time a me de nya mesika e wo adwuma ti me nya adaji ma audition no ono bi say me say averagely no Saturday ya me nya say na me see o Saturday 500,000 na nyisika ketwa because me na oton phone cover krana you cover no 25,000 na dey abeji 70,000.
Oh
yes into the one ton phone krana oton phone covers 10 krana
that's okay
I say 25,000 to 70,000.
Oh nice.
It's almost 45,000. It's averagely 50,000 there. No see you. Okay, open so human me. Or this 500,000 ebe mami. Na me nyai sa Saturday adwuma kona me ma audition. The audition e no Ediana hotel. Me call audition no ya ma me script. Herere me ready we afena. Sa time Mr. Chumesimo Kembre Nyamo Bella Samoa Kwadwa Saribedi Ako Michael Afrane Daniel Adela ye Godfrey Poku Mensa. No mu nyina sorry Martha Joyce Atta. O mu nyina sorry. O mu bo mo nsem.
Na chese wo beto Bella Samoa mo industry ni.
I me asma make na the year 2000. But Miracle starting your mo yejuma 99.
Okay, so exactly 1 year.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I me ko to wo mo. O mu nyina ko musuo mo, o ma so no mo bo mo nsem. I was like Uncle from open me agro me ho ana say e de me ho fe. Me dia na ma ya. We ya me ready keke, nya brofo na makan. O mo bo mo nsam.
But mommy we dey mean to know as at that time now we are young kakra.
As at the year 2000 I was just 20 years.
Oh.
Yes, I was just 20 years. I was me body
exactly.
After audition na obi a yebeye Ghanaian Nigerian ejuma. Obi a me nyesnida. Yeah, me 13 cents supporting role. 13 cents at that time na easy. Maybe nko bi ma me koto mo kwa no na crowd scenes enye de mutwa. Efre bibi extras. But I showed them no born himself. Maybe another one line kwa no nya bi. So I had a good start. To me real industry when I was like, I said I loved the independence and the excitement and stuff. I'm saying me marketing, me yes I'm the compare but you say me bema manager man say me pe. Me she entertain sir. And yeah. Say my coordination na hu ne say me modern boy extra ni na say. Mama me say I really I didn't find you adwuma. Okay. So my acting career started from there, the year 2000.
See, that time no nyina no na oba Saturdays nko ana sa afedi na oba week ni na.
Say na attachment na me. It was a 1-year attachment. As I said, we coordination when I can be 2 or 3 months.
Said your friend is service now. Okay.
Na me reattachment na. Nti me remember adwuma no who say I loved how my independence and more every style of things, you know. Reattachment, I was hooked. And now I started acting career.
Nti na sabre ni nyina no otua wo ka for adwuma no ana say we attachment in the oja ketua no.
Sir, me as I said me first movie you have 15,000. Okay. And so now me microphone be I'm almost kakwaye 3,000. Nti me 15,000 no. Na eye. I call a location back when you 15,000. Na enye to set me phone no kwa business no kwa na eye.
But mommy obeja to say a bit similar because of say na ukra degree certificate ntina e bia na omutu a waka more na say wo sha performance ntia.
I by performance and I by role. Cause obi am a cylinder no menya supporting role. As I start I got 15,000 na kwa na miracle de mama na nka me obi na nka me wadwom de na nka ni kwase say ska no de mama. But for me fresher. And a role na demanding me to me a player. Tina say or also show mommy talking be shows some sign of appreciation. Ya me name sin adwuma mu a and yes ska na nka me esanko de mama.
Okay.
Yeah.
But we no watcha sa one miracle la ya wie ono an course de wutwa adwuma.
I so after that and I say adwuma bia most of the human no friend me. Most of the human no friend. We started with the English speaking scripts. I started the year 2000 till the year 2004. And the idea came, say, the Nigerians are capitalizing our markets. So why don't we introduce our indigenous languages? So they brought the concept party people on board. So although I had made previous movies, but the movie that made me was Asoriba. That was the year 2004. At that time, I was just 24 years. But because I was body, I was her confidence, you know. Miracle kept casting me as an elderly person.
Yes.
Into be whom you was me was still young, but I don't even say I'm Shani me company for rule.
Because me who know when you want to some
let me swa and I need me company for rule. So yeah.
See, yeah, sorry about the American no pan and push.
That was the movie that made me. Yes.
Now, Sabrina acting with different people from concert parties, because I think Sabrina a jack home na also coming on board.
Yeah.
To say no more for to say more country. Not difference scripts and any other na we need because of Chi international scripts and count. It
was scripted. You had to translate from English to Chi. Because I had challenges with the Chi. Because me also na me nhyɛ da nya santini na ma no nhyɛ da nte
e wo twi nim
me ka twi also obi e ka twi ba e ka sante a ye wo mo nhyɛ da te sante o ma no ate bu ebu mu be.
Yes.
Me na ma no nte sa te na kwa me kasa kwa me timi kasa no asante ne to be out me say me fambo. I don't find it that difficult in English, but asante a ye ka na resi bu mu be no me nhyɛ da nya de sa.
So, scripts na mo brofum na one
you translate it into tree. Like you have to, I mean, the director will give you a scenario.
Okay.
In the tree, but you have to fix it with your own style, a style of speech, and your own kind of speaking. No?
All right.
Yeah, to fit, I mean, capture the essence of the scene.
Yes.
But the script, we were scripted in English.
Come, baby, say na menti for how can I translate?
And so it's a director. I want to say, Jacko, no, I'm to me reading the other. Your mom was scenario in tree.
Okay. Okwa ube kontokwa.
Aha, you
choose your own words.
Yeah, you choose your own words to fit or to capture the essence of that particular scene.
Mommy, what ras in your name? Or first movie amount 15,000. Or can say enkene ya ebi anka wonje and I say bi so a kana wure much and kebe more than that.
Yeah.
As time went on, no, oh yeah, why your first movie or say ya any tree movies neba when mo e peja afi na sika no abasoro and afi na sika abem.
I will say we are valued by our performances. Fanisa me one miracle hono. Fanisa me shia dwuma. I will say I hono na nsem na me fra ya me shia film making. But it got to a point. Now other producers, Ephraim Ejuma. The highest pay I got from Miracle at that time was 500,000. Okay. But me koya Alex Boat Ejuma a year. Alex Boat paid me 2 million cedis at that time.
Wow.
Yes.
Unkwa.
Miracle highest order me 500,000. But Alex Boat paid me 2 million. And no still quite nice to see your baby. But now I am a best pay menya. Nti ho ne mama hu say abonten ye de ena se nipa kra no sua adwuma e wo nipa ho a opon ho.
Yes.
Nti miracle ho me free e ho no I didn't really live there with a clean slate. Because I got to a time miracle hu say ne nkrofo na odi omoba no say ebi nya office e wo abonten nti o de idea bi ba say person no sign agreement contracts be say or no adwuma wo ha ye ntimi enjan konkoye omo wo abonten so for adwuma. At that time I sat my fellow artists down say yes the man has taught us filmmaking but say adwuma shia kwa na nka ya pon ye ho ena utimi pon utimi ye adwuma baby abe 1 year ma wo master ya pon ye ho na I think we've paid our dues, so it is our right to also go out and explore. We'll become limited. So I was the first person between free miracle kwabontin kokoye adwuma. Nti me kwabontin miracle wasn't casting me anymore.
Oh.
Auntie, at that time one more miracle na nipa keto be dodo na ye enemy ya adwene e yo madwen so me kwabontin as a producers akwakoye adwuma. So ma at that time miracle em say am oduma hani frame pon em say be Sabi Debra. And a couple of guys. Yeah corona there was a new crop of artists or moba. Sylvester Japo almost slime mo. Any you can say Kevin Bedumo. Any this guy Nana Boache and Samo. They were the new Nana ya Piamo. Oh, they were the new crop of artists or moba. And see omo afi recommend 10 omo. I now start to chi omo ka ye pa omo ka ho. Nana man is only not Najuma beyond and in the face of miracle. Then Najuma be no woman. But there were new breed of artists coming. So as we were miracle oh kono soba. So until miracle when it's so after all ye ni wo mo yes you say so yapon ye ho yes adwuma. So we left and there were a new crop of actors and actresses.
See, mommy, since then, no miracle found you, maybe, man. I say a Jew baby necessary.
After Sahono, miracle, and for my Juma, I was not your dear big kakra. We didn't part on a good note. I say, me my chemo Juma, now me the contract by someone sign, say me me Juma or Mungo, you be a Juma. Men, they tagged me as a troublemaker. Because me, I always stand for fairness and equity. So what I say? So they tagged me as a miracle James Abuaje Kwekuchu Mesimo. They tagged me as a troublemaker. And the other American for my near Juma, woman, I miss me call relegation. And a woman or Saya says you could suffer. It was say we using the best artist or do my year Juma. audio mutual last production no ko di ni sofo na me so sata na me so me wo relegation after na me be free relegation na or the me yeah movie be 7 years ago no on frame adwuma yes so no na sa free ye the year adwuma the old people who feel say the best of the best on your year adwuma we came together for a production
na no ye movie be ya
and look at me kind po in kai title
movies no dey door so no dey yes okay
yes
na yen hwe wo free miracle ho a wo koye no sabe de na wo kwohwe anim se wo benya sika na dodo se wo bekọ ba bia de wo beye nyuma bebre wo konya ne sa
oh na abontie de by that time no, I saw myself as an accomplished actress miracle ho na wontimi enya wo free will sir. But when I branched out on my own, no, me a freelance, no. At that time, no, me who said me a oga, and me should be mad, and not youthful exuberance womb. Tienya mo who summoned a huntani drag a crab mafa. That was my only regret, but the money was good.
Okay, huntai sama a quite beso.
It comes with stardom. Say already picture na a dom start say heliwa wenya wonya obia naturally wa ho brase ana wenya wonya obia wo mother or fatherly figure bia obetimi atufo a bring you down to level bia it comes with stardom e de ahantani dwe e ba ni pem sa time say ni ni marade na ewiase ye de nyame hwo ni ni ho enti se na ye hu awrade a ye hu se sa na ye mane nyina aye ewiase ehuhudie I come back to your senses unse na me ka che odi opise oni se me de unse me ha adwen
yes
and so first na nka ukwa untimi nkasa me ho dwani a hantan ne me should be mad bi chese me te wokra me ho mpo me hu ne chese ne amaye me ho kwa nya wakọ so be kasa me ho by ne yen chese yeah, it was the money was good out there, but na afi na me nya obi obetimi control me sante. E fe be me branch out no. E di me nya kakra. Sika ne de ba say di me nya kakra. Yeah.
Moment, why you movie na afi e beto abonten say no. Movie industry na ba form. To say you mon shoot TBM na DVD cry and Tony akoto CDs. Sabre no a tie na we because that time we who say na you shooting movie say we had me say
oba that when movie just to get the me na me call relegation me am a personal reason for my me am a personal reason minty na me call relegation I was battling with alcoholism and na on say me ka say me adwani a hanta me muade ni nti no sense no ba musa na was difficult to handle till the time be na producers think to me handle me. Although the talent was there, but I was unmanageable. So they started dropping me.
And some no was depression. The man no one said you are just drinking for fun and after wakoto.
Initially, no, I let me say I started drinking for fun, but it got to a point. I went overboard. I became an alcoholic. I became a drunkard. You can't be a coincidence. Maybe a coincidence. And about 5:30, na me pensano. Enti se enye ensano na mennom na meye mra meda adwuma mi nteme nkwa me kwa adwuma fe na ma start misbehave na me ha adwen hetu because me naturally me so was na ensana sa be kan na ye hyper too much asebe nya bufo na me buofo me mo de obi na me say me nyobi nteme me kame but as I stood for fairness and equity enti se me hu na sisi in any form ewo obi side kwa na agye ntokwa ne ko afena me ho akoya ahomete ene obi aso empe obi ane ho eya ahomete ena nipa no udi bem kra na se wanfa kwampa so anya onioma odi bim ebedifo ena nipa no onu odifo on card ko ye ya Awo Yaa akoma koba ya na se bia ni nioma koba ye won wa ya pie odi ntokwa na ba nti obi yi ni na go so afena akoya tag se me ha adwe me pentokwa me unmanageable even say o frame adwuma na me sika kam kwabiti me ka camera bo ne ade but ana normal circumstances producer that say o frame adwuma from sika ma me oh tina akoyi bibia o
Mommy, one no one son for how long? And son, I walk as half in the Majai.
Men no one sa. No one sa from say. Fanny say for over 20 years.
And son?
Yes, fair. 97, 207, 204. Almost 20 years.
Wow.
Almost 20 years. But me to mountain time part Rocano from the year 2010.
Now, Tom cry. I
feel down low. Copy me say 2014. Everybody sharing when my braboma. I got liberated from the claws of alcoholism.
Mommy, wait here. Yeah, me shut down bosu baby, but just in case, if you are not youth ni BTA. Oh dear, no to mountain time because na arehobia shall so and ni GMO so and na say day into na fedie obia ubodidin kakra all of a sudden na fedie what to mukra sabe o konom baby ni me fa kra ntimi mefi
oba fefe o fie be fo kra pe wa ye wa o gina wanu asam so obonsam pe ye pe wa ye wa o pe sin to be e wo wo hu o de gina so ayo ya make what I say. And son na minimum but edu time bi baby my clafani will be me interview be me boni day every time bi I find it dream attention na no monsa say awo oba be say no monsa the rate I say no monsa prince awon there is something wrong somewhere who ni say we dey enye wani asunsun bi techire ti pe ho na muntu ampa so na ahomete nti na me no monsa kasa be bonza me nyina sa ansa nom no so amfa anyame nti I started seeking for solution to my alcoholism no ukọ ene asofofo yo mu papa ni yo mu boka ukọ ayese ofiefo na eyo obekọ second person say sinifo na akoto nsa no mama but we serve a living God. I believe in the power of the mind. The mind is so powerful, eh? So we yare. Na we nyanya fie no wotim say yare eno na be kum ya obewu.
Okay.
But we yare na ubo wotim po say yare me ho beto me a. Me ho beto me. Ho beto.
Yes.
Say me fie fo na eye me. Say sinifo na akoye meduro. Tinka me no monsa de na gombe gina so. Nti makono monsa ma brokra na metime fe na metim na me su se awrade nye se na abo me.
Ono monsa ni wi nyina na abo mpae.
Awrade nye se na abo me. Ti se mpo obonefo bi na de ne nsa ka mabrabo awrade ade kro de fo aso de ne nsa ka mabrabo ni. Yi sa de ni mo free mabrabo. Na me ni na wo. Na me hunu kwa ya me ni mabonefo be nante e wo wiase because we are saying na abonefo enena e wo ba bia but senye nsa no nsa ni wanka ba de odene nsa aka me so I wasn't praying for God kill my enemies so na ready kuma ba ifu o na ready obibi ode me kwa aduro so bia back to sender bia so na me so nse ready nsa no kontonchi a abeto me so no ready nye say na obo me jeme. Let me be a living testimony to the glorification of your holy name. God heard my plea and my supplications and He liberated me from alcoholism. He saved me from alcoholism. But say me kote say me fearful bi na eye me. Na dey shame me team say be fearful bi na eye me. Hwe kwa me twese kan woni paso. Sabi me giant san me say me boy for so ho. Ana me boa. So bi na de me kwa aduro so a. Sabi me giant san me. Sinifo sabi omo mo kwa aduro so som dan akọ. But ensanum ne free ma bra bom no. Number 1 eba ma brabo me start hwehwe awrade e ma me hunu awrade. Number 2 madofo nyina pa me
Nko mo ni mase
aw omo a na me bu sata na me mu omo se no line for no omo mo na so ma sene te ma me be hunu se nipa yodo nipa hu hia te ma me be insanum na amu no ma me hunu awrade because I started searching for God e ma me hia ho brase. Ya make what I say. And number 3. Aside bibia me ko mu bia no. E ma me sua ani da ho. Say we are say. we say na hokwa enti se de bia ya meka se nipa kro na so ye me fie bayi se yesi ni bi na de me kwa aduro so me oboa me o ono na dwene se nanka wo kosei me ba na onim se e ba de be fa saa mistake ne so amana da ni nhira e wa brabom. So me, I always say my life has been a series of mistakes turned to blessings. No fool say was say me, but me ni me yefo a ka me kan besa ko chana de. Say bia nka awade awade amfa no so amama nko saa te bia no mu a nka me hu onu awade ka me nsua ho brase ka me ni an na ho
obi abodua kra ku.
What you say na saa te na kuma wuri gina mu gidi do and the speed na me de banana awade eni mafa na me ni ahoban bo bia no e bi kra nka magu.
Yes.
Inti me call sa hibernation and relegation for 8 years no. E ma me sua na ma bebre. En social bi etie ya. Na ebia nipa enam no so an social ne ba ya na ya start e tiny pakro. Yes, we should say any acronym because in social tour, you will feel comfort zone. Emma will pray a copy before for. I ready to close one door in your life. Be another door. Emma would die. Fana say, Ebia, Maria would away. Is in your destiny, say by 30 years. Yes, say Usidai. But 28 years, Ebia, I ready. I'm when you stand walk on hand flat. So when she if you by 28 years flat out on high, I'm an time when ni I'm a one co pass as says come the coin flat you come the pass as if you die. So 30 years and you cannot fulfill your destiny. Say if you do 30 years, why they where's he dying? Into that time, who is the parkour? And you born some your judge for or how. But I already show you so sir Nipano to propel you to greater heights. See you'll be to fulfill your destiny. Into me, they be a Mishra Matamfo. And you're more and can be complacent and can't me ready. Can you say, me free me relegation, me buy ye? Say, me jam giddy. So, sis in Yago. And so maybe I'm just set to sutra. Sitting woman. Mo jam giddy. Now, almost say, almost be mad. And say, more 85% to fee. Yeah, 15% are passionate for the job. And I say, you my judgment. Yeah.
Mommy, to say Kumawood in her about YouTube. YouTube a no difference wom a chain Kumawood there.
How do you differentiate between Kumawood and YouTube?
Say,
there is a bone of contention about this issue. I want to clarify things here.
Okay.
There is still the Kumawood movie industry.
Okay.
And there is a YouTube fraternity. Me, I'm a movie star. I'm also a YouTube star. Ask me why. I act movies. I act TV series. And when you come to the YouTube fraternity, I do short skits.
Yes.
Or I create content for YouTube. There's a difference. Kumawood call from no. Artists need be I started with YouTube skits. Ubia with individual channels are all year Jumagum.
Yes.
We were already movie stars before we became YouTube sensations. But there are some people too who have never acted a well-scripted movie before.
Exactly.
They are not movie stars.
No.
But they became YouTube sensations because of some viral contents
They
created or they were involved in on YouTube. This microphone on your well scripted movie project and on your well scripted serial TV project no. But are you popular with YouTube? Or actio or you're popular with YouTube? That person is a YouTube star, but he's not a movie star. But okay, na ebimene moko any woko. Take Asantwa and Co for instance, and the Jackie Menses for instance. They are TikTok stars. But if Asantwa has branched into movies now and is to excel in movies, Asantwa is a TikTok star, but she can also be classified as a movie star because Wasabi making it movies. Bobi wa on twa movie da.
Okay.
But who they say be at YouTube the camera and see so nti. Esa camera and see so nti no. Of course a part of Kumawood.
Okay.
No. There's a difference. So it takes a very analytical and a very broad-minded person to understand this. Obo of course a camera scene is wa ya twa 20 minutes, 30 minutes that go to YouTube it there. That classifies the person as a movie star. But you've not acted in any well-scripted movie project, or you've not acted in any well-scripted TV series project before. YouTube skits are scripted, but the content is for YouTube. You are popular, you are rich, but you are a YouTube star. Take Dr. Like, for instance, Akabeneza. Akabeneza is a movie star, and he is also a YouTube star. Take Nana Ebua, for instance. Nana Ebua is a movie star because he acted in movies before branching out to YouTube, and he's a TikTok, he's a YouTube star. Take Chinche Trying, for instance. He is a movie star, and he's a YouTube sensation now. Take me, for instance. Take Nana Yache, for instance. But there are some people who made their names solely on YouTube.
Okay. Despite
them having scripted YouTube stuff, or despite them being, in YouTube series, okay, or in YouTube content, yes, that person cannot be classified as a movie star. I don't know, because it was no clear definition, okay, but people are refusing to understand. You make what you say? Yes. Take Kwajon Cancer, for instance. Kwajon Cancer is a movie star. Right now, he's a musician. But Kwajon Cancer is not a YouTube star. Because obey YouTube and farmer, no. Okay. He did not become a YouTube sensation. Oh, difference. I mean, me make it. Yeah, YouTube sensations are the likes of Dr. Likey, the likes of Amatundra, the likes of Checheku, the likes of the likes of C Confium. They are YouTube sensations. Kwajon Cancer is a movie star. He is a musician. But when you hit to YouTube, only YouTube star or a movie star. Look, Dr. Like he will move him. So about he to YouTube. Oh, Mama for Amatundra, an example. Amatundra, I hit to YouTube. Say, was starting a movie project. But movie mo pa, I hit to move him. Okay. So Amatundra is a YouTube star. Wow. You get the difference. But I could create a whole lot of controversies. I don't know.
Oh, me share TV, being a TV star and a YouTube star.
There is even between a TV star and a movie star.
Okay. Yeah, okay. TV star there. Obi about TV, so I be making no.
It's a TV star. Okay. Be it news, be it something, it's a TV star. So,
Matthias,
sweetie, na your work. It be a clear cut definition of it be a
different categories.
Okay, different categories. Oh. Yeah.
Mommy, movie star, YouTube star, dear hina sikawum. In your perspective, when we're YouTube and where you movie, what that's why we dear hina.
When it comes to popularity, now in Ghana, when it comes to popularity and money, I'll give it to the YouTube stars. Okay. You understand? So me, I'm a YouTube star. But I still want to maintain my TV and movie presence. Till one once my YouTube makucha TV series. Makucha ebi akwaba magic ejuma. Be makucha movie. Me and myself be YouTube. Abe me sika. So and so go out the movie and that TV series to akwa makucha. Ko gen stardom no ne. Ni sika no YouTube. You make what I say? Yes. Say. Dr. Likey and Nene and Akabeneza. Oja YouTube ne now man was scripted movie projector obeying dito because he was already a movie star before he became a YouTube sensation.
Yes. Wow.
So I feel what him
every day Martine Masi papa because yankasa na ye chinye obey but what baby name so man na clear pa. Mommy, one kasa wo YouTube channel a wo ye djuma
me am a channel no Awo Yaa TV. Say for 8-9 months in fact content in 2 but anyway akaje guma say adaje ne poso. Yes.
Nyankopon hwa mo dwuma so mo.
On share mo so. And now aside me moving your man me ye no, I am a reformed alcoholic. So I have a foundation that I reach out to alcoholics who need help. Alcoholism no, also be some question be. Obi wa ha due to depression. Obi wa due to peer pressure. Ebi wa due to onwa ni suban bi na aka no so. By yen black mentality. Ebi so ha na sunsun bi na ta echire. Enti eba physical side, I have counselors if say oh boy be na jawo, girl be na jawo, now depression be setting in, say we be na ba ya, they will counsel you and try to help. And if there is spiritual connotations as well, I have renowned men of God who will delve deeply spiritually, know the source of your problem, and do their maximum best with the help of God to help those in need. To me interview biana me share radebo say oyi me fi sama ni na I will be a living testimony. To me platform biana na me foundation no once me kan once me kakra.
Okay.
Enti obi biana feel say what on someone 10 time because erade am obi a will power. Enti bedu baby now there we say in some manuma do baby me ntimi nyaya. You need help. You can contact me. I will show you procedures for you to get help. Nti Mr. Mo I thought there be the numbers etudwa. Mo for numbers ni misuse no. Me pamacho wa wonye serious about alcoholism no. So we hear one and frame it. I am there solely for those seriously in need of help. My number is 0277 39 5591. 0277 39 5591. And I'm a YouTube channel. This is Makejegum. Awo Yaa TV. Oh, share my Facebook. Awo Yaa Mpao. Over IG swa Awo_Adepa. Over Twitter swa Awo_Adepa.
TikTok no so the own young call.
TikTok was Awo Yaa TV 1. Na ba ko say Awo Yaa TV.
Ni me ni na wa ankasa wo channel.
Yes.
Wow. Mommy, who said so yeah how baby?
Mate.
Yeah, that's how near church come.
Mas me that's so much e be tie man wasem.
Yankopon show pa. Na baby a wa show den adru no fa wo ko anim yi pa e mayen.
Oh, praise to Jah.
Amen. Mommy, yeah, that's it. Ebusia for mommy any ne twetwe enkomo no Awo Yaa enne wonso wati bi say yes e no ankasa ne din a won ID card so nyese obewura movie mu no apagya din ato ne ho so no no ankasa ne din say mommy ennim din yi papa na adwene mu abie tie nsem mommy aka ne na te say yeso pentete akọ pani ho ne ne nkodi nkomo enne waka ne life experience actually wati bi menso mati bi edien e na ekoso abrabo ma eya achia watie bi fatu ho fo wodo ho awura nsanom mu se ne mommy din kan no say ebetimi aye ne spiritually no bibi e attack wa na say eye wankasa wo pay na wode no monsa na afi wato montentan depression betimi ma wono monsa enu ntini mommy e de ne number to ja friend no or foundation na omwa na say alcoholism nko ade a omwa na entime enko na wo so ne ho se de mommy ade ne ho na emomu no so se wo ko baabi ne e ka che we na ye wa e attack ni pani straight work on yourself and sa kra na wakwadwen bibi afo bi wusan say wa ma wo ho kwan a bibi ani ho a betimi adi wa brabo so eno ntino fatu ho fo na me so me de bi atumi ho fo comment bia no jano comment section ho e fama me kama I feel like here na share e ma afoforo enya bi enhwe me di no ene amabi makra obia.